Hi everyone, welcome back to Tutorials by David again, and in this video I will show you how to use your Windscribe VPN on Firestick. Let's get started on how to use your Windscribe VPN on Firestick. So first, you want to plug in your Firestick on your go to Amazon App Store. Then search for Windscribe VPN and install it. So if you already installed it, you will now log in with your existing account or sign up for a free or premium account directly. After logging in, you can choose a server location from the list or just hit connect to automatically secure your connection. If you want Windscribe to run whenever you start your Fire Stick, enable auto connect in the app setting. For streaming, switch between different server regions to access geo-restricted content like Netflix or Hulu. In case this app isn't available in your region's app store, you can sideload it by downloading the Windscribe application via a downloader app on Firestick. So once connected, all your streaming and browsing activity on the Firestick will be encrypted and private.